Hello, I am Partha Sarti Das. I'm 59 years of age. I am from Guwahati, Assam. I am a consulting civil engineer, had been practicing civil engineering for last 30 years. And I had this dental problem since many years, more than 2 decades. And had been visiting the dental surgeons frequently in my local place in Assam. So it continued so last February what happened is I had an infection in the gum. So when I went to the dental surgeon in Guwahati, he advised me to take off one of the bridges which were already done earlier. So then I took it off and got relieved. But then we planned for 3 implants with the doctor there. But unfortunately within 7 days, actually I visited a marriage ceremony out of station for immediately after the implants. I don't know, maybe due to that reason in the marriage house you take so many foods and all, maybe it actually it failed. The implant failed, one of the implant it came out. So immediately on coming back to Guwahati, I visited the doctor, and on inspection he advised that we need to take out all the implants, means like the 3 implants whatever was done a week back. I agreed, and then he took it out. Then I asked him okay doctor, after how many days again we can go for the implants? And that time he initially told me that this implants whatever he was doing, it will take me around 8 to 10 months time, because he need to graft a bone, so many things are there. It is a long procedure. I agreed. But then this time on taking of the implants, I asked him can we go for a re-implant maybe after a few months? He said no, re-implant is not advisable or not possible in that location, and I advise you to go for denture. So I went for a denture done. I got a denture done, and I was not very comfortable with the denture, so I abandoned it. Then from one of my friend in Guwahati, I came to know about Dr. Motiwala's clinic in Hyderabad. So I came to Hyderabad, booked an appointment with Dr. Motiwala for 4th of November, and I came here. And on consultation with him, on the 3rd day my treatment started, and then for the last week I am here, and I got my treatment done. I got 9 implants done and 28 numbers of zirconium crown done within this short period of time. I am really very satisfied with the nature of the treatment I got here, and I am really very I like to appreciate all the staff's behavior and their know-how about their subject, that I really appreciate, which we don't as a professional. I visit many places, so I find here the people are quite knowledgeable and so nice. They have got a high sense of responsibility towards attending patient and all that. I really appreciate.